Okay, so this is a tutorial on cracking WEP encrypted networks. So first things first, links are on top of the screen now. Go ahead and click them, and first link you need to download, the first program you need to download is ComView for Wi-Fi. Download link is here. Okay, and if you see here under, you have adapters which have been tested to work with ComView. And if you don't see your driver here, don't worry about it. Like me, for example, I have a driver and it's not on this list, but it still works after configuration. And next we have Aircraft NG, and we need the Windows version, obviously, which is here. Windows. Click that and download. And then finally, this is for the ComView. If you're using an Intel driver, which is newer than 13.5.0.0, then you'll need to download the drivers which are down here. To know what your operating system is, your type of operating system, that's easy to find. Go up to the start menu, and then go ahead and go to computer, and right click the computer, and go to properties. Like you see here, system type 64-bit system. Depends, you might have 32-bit, and that's how you know what to download. 64 or 32, and if it says something like 86, that's also 32-bit. And if you don't like downgrading, you can always re-upgrade after you're done. So if you don't know what driver version you have, if you have Intel drivers, then all you have to do is go to start, go to control panel, go to hardware and sound, and then go to devices and printers. Click on your machine, go to hardware, the hardware tab, and then look for your network adapter, which has this icon here. You see it. And for example, mine is an Intel Centrino wireless N1000 network adapter. Click it and go to properties and driver. Like as you see here, my version of my driver is 15.1.0.18, which means it's too high to use. And because I don't want to downgrade my driver, I am going to use an external driver, which by the way is Linksys wireless G. So that being said, let's get started. So here, once you download, you'll have two files. You have the Aircraft NG, which is a zip file, and also you have the CA6, which is a ComView for Wi-Fi. What you want to do is go ahead and extract both of these. Desktop is a good place to extract. Okay, we have that, and then we have this one. This one is just extract the setup. What you need. Okay, now let's set up the ComView for Wi-Fi. Double click on the icon, click yes when prompted. Click next, agree, read if you have to read. VoIP mode or standard mode, doesn't matter really, just click one. VoIP is good for now. Next, program files, go ahead and choose your destination for your installation. Click next, and if you want a desktop shortcut, go ahead and click it, but I don't. And launch ComView Wi-Fi, installation completed. Okay, I'm gonna click this just for now to show you if you're gonna use an external driver. Okay, click next, and next, and now it's installing. Finish. Okay, now if you're gonna use an external driver like I am using, you're gonna go ahead and go to your control panel, and go ahead and make sure you're on category, and click on internet and on network and internet. View network status and tasks. Change the data settings, and because I'm using the wireless G network USB adapter, I'm going to disable my Intel. Okay, there. It's disabled now, so I can use this with ComView. There you go. Okay, now go ahead and open ComView for Wi-Fi. Click yes when prompted. Okay, and if this is the driver installation, if you're gonna driver installation type. Now, like I said, we had this list over here. We had this list under the download for coming for Wi-Fi. If it's not here, don't worry about it, because this is how you set it up, okay? And see if it works. So first of all, you have to go ahead and see, and go ahead and say I want to test my untested adapter that may be compatible. Okay, go next. It says, would you like the product to manually check? If you get this, just go ahead and click no. And okay, so you have your adapter here selected, and go ahead and does the adapter support 82.11 in the 2 gigahertz, whatever here, you know, say this, and then you gotta select it. Okay, now it says does the adapter, now it says does the adapter support, um, now it says does the adapter support 802.11n in the 2.4 gigahertz or 5 gigahertz band. Go ahead and select, for me, yes, it does support it, only for 2.5 gigahertz band. So if you don't know this, it usually says it on your adapter. Here, I'm gonna pull out my adapter real quick just to show you. For example, I have the Linksys. I have the Linksys. Let me look here in the back of my adapter. WUSB54G. WUSB54G adapter. Okay, now let's go ahead and go to the images here. And this is my adapter here, the one I'm currently using. So check this out. See, let's see full size image. Okay, so here as you can see, let me zoom in here a bit. I have mine says it here has 2.4 gigahertz. That's how I know. And under here it's very hard to see, but that says 80.2.11, and that is just the same as here. All right, so that's how we know. And then it says here, you have to select now the kind of Intel chip if it has. Now, if you don't know the Intel chip, which I do, which for my example is Drylink. If you don't know it, you could search that online. You know, just search the name of your adapter, and then go ahead and put chip, or the selected chip. You know, choose the chip, search for the chip, and you'll find it. The company, mine's Drylink. Okay, now we'll go ahead and go configure. It says please restart the application. Okay, so close it,